Before I get into the video, help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing giveaways for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and all the other stuff that you could do to help us out. And let's get into the video. So cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds and operating independently of a central bank. Cryptocurrency is another form of money that's digital and decentralized, meaning that there's no third parties, as in like there's no banks that you have to send your money to before you can give it to any other person that you're trying to transfer your money to, right? And for this, anyone is able to earn and gain crypto, no limits, no restrictions. You don't have to go through any other person. Like, crypto is easily transferable through your phone or any other way that you can transfer your crypto through. And crypto is easy. You can just transfer it to the person, they automatically just get it. You don't have to wait a day or two for the money to come in. Like, it's transferred to you right there and then. And before there can actually be a way to pay for it, like, it gotta be accepted worldwide. And as of right now, it's starting to become it's starting to get accepted in certain places. Starbucks is one place that actually accept Bitcoin and started accepting Bitcoin. In certain places though, not all, but certain place. And crypto is going to be coming up as a new era of money. Now, a lot of people half of people, I say 50% says that they really don't like cryptocurrency because they say like, oh, someone can hack into it, or someone can easily take it and steal it, and it's not actually like owned by nobody. It's not even centralized. But other people say it's good because first of all, it's very hard to hack the cryptocurrency because of blockchain. Now, I made another video talking about blockchain, so if you want to go check that out, you can go check it out. But blockchain is something that all cryptocurrency run on because blockchain is a data structure, right? It collects data and stuff, and it makes it hard for hackers to actually hack into it because it's encrypted. And for cryptocurrency, they actually have to have blockchain in it for it to not be hackable or be hard for it to be hacked. Okay, and for people who likes cryptocurrency, it makes them trust cryptocurrency more. And cryptocurrency is able to be transferred between anybody across the world without third parties, or banks. For example, there is a crypto out there. You probably do know this, and it's called Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is the very first cryptocurrency that actually came out. Like, it was the very first one that started up all these other cryptocurrencies they have out there called Ripple. You got Ripple, you got Dash, you got Bitcoin Cash, you got Cardano. Like, you have other cryptocurrency out there now, and Bitcoin gave rise to that. Now, Bitcoin was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, and it started in 2009 with its source code was released as an open source software. Now, people out there say that it was just founded by somebody. Someone just found it like laying down on the desk, or just randomly stumbled across it. And no one gave it to nobody. Like, it's literally was just somewhere. Some people say it was just on a desk, and someone just stumbled across it and had white paper showing how it works, what's the property, how it works, and what it does. And that's how it started in 2008. And as of now, Bitcoin is literally in the $1,000 mark, or $1,000 price range in the market, cryptocurrency market. And I don't know if it hit 10,000 yet, but I know for sure it's around there. And maybe that is not right, but I think it's around there. Now, people literally love Bitcoin. There's people out there who mines Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies out there, and especially Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a highly valuable cryptocurrency out there. And there's only a certain amount of Bitcoin out there. Like, there's only a certain amount of crypto that you can actually gain before it actually runs out of Bitcoin. So you only a certain amount of people can actually get Bitcoin, and when those cryptos are gone, there's no more Bitcoin that you can get. So as of right now, there's people out there mining Bitcoin, and there's still much out there. There's still Bitcoin out there, so you can still go get some. But before it's all gone, you better, like, jump on the bandwagon and get some of that crypto. You know what I mean? But people like crypto because it's more it's gonna be more popular, and you don't actually have to deal with banks, or have to deal with like money or any like paper bills or coins, and it's not really a thing that's owned by our government, and all people are able to get it. There's no limits to somebody saying like, okay, you can only get this if you have a bank account, or you're only able to get this if you have a certain amount of credits. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's not a thing for crypto. Any person can get it. If you got a phone, internet, you're actually good to go. You can actually get it no matter where you are. And honestly, I think that Bitcoin or cryptocurrency is going to be a wide variety, or no, not wide variety. It's going to be a big thing that people are going to start using in the future. Now, honestly, that's really all I had to say, is that crypto is honestly going to be the next future money, and that is going to be the next future currency that people are going to be start using it, because you can tell that our future, or our society, is moving into a world with technology, and cryptocurrency is going to be the main part of that actual technology society. And it's going to be the way that we be able to pay for half of the stuff that we have now. And right now, they're moving and progressing on for you to be able to use it. But as of right now, they're not actually like that well known. They're not actually that worldwide yet. But sooner or later, they're going to. So that's all I got for you today. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And stay tuned for our next one. We're going to be talking about Apple AR glasses, and I think that's all I had to say. So I'll see you in the next one. Later.